Blma hydraulic servo CNC press brake. A high-precision equipment specifically designed to provide solutions for the metal sheet processing industry. Adopting advanced numerical control technology and innovative design, capable of achieving precise and efficient bending. Whether it is for thin or thick sheet materials, Blma hydraulic CNC press brake can meet your needs. The main unit is equipped with the advanced da58t CNC system, supporting multiple language options, optimal parameter ratio, superior core configuration, stable performance, and convenient operation. French brand Schneider electrical components, stable performance, and long service life. Precision CNC bending dies are equipped. The dies undergo overall quenching, achieving a surface hardness exceeding HRC 55, can be customized according to customer requirements. Auxiliary material support before bending, providing additional assurance for your processing efficiency and bending precision. The CNC system controls the mechanical compensation worktable, ensuring high-quality bending precision. Accurate and stable back gauge device. Servo motor-driven ball screw featuring fast speed and high positioning accuracy. Multi-level gear design, enlarging the positioning range, providing great value for the money. Modular design, with the option to control a single axis or expand to multiple axes as needed. The main motor is driven by a servo motor to operate the hydraulic pump, resulting in approximately 40% energy savings compared to conventional hydraulic systems. By employing dual proportional valves and figure grating ruler to control two cylinders, the machine achieves faster speed, higher synchronization accuracy, and a more stable operation.